Hola, estudiantes. Ya hemos terminado los saludos y las despedidas. Hablamos de las cortesías. Now that we're done with greetings and goodbyes, let's talk about courtesies. As you may all know that in every language there are some words that help in building cordial relationships among people. These are commonly referred to as magic words. In order to build relationships and be more polite, one may use magic words like please, sorry, and thank you. We appear kind and courteous when we use these words, don't we? Now let us have a look at the Spanish equivalents for such words. In order to say please, we say por favor. To say sorry, we say lo siento. And to say thank you, we say gracias. Now, how would we say thanks a lot? We may use muchas gracias when you want to send the message across that you cannot thank a person enough for what they did for you. It simply means thank you very much. Now, in English, when someone says thank you, we reply by saying you're welcome, but don't mention it. In Spanish, you may use de nada or no hay de qué for the same. Do you remember we had earlier seen that bienvenido means welcome, but here we are using different words to say you're welcome. The difference between the two here is that you say de nada or no hay de qué when you're replying to someone when they say thank you. But when you're welcoming someone to a particular place, let's say a class, a party, or a house, you end up saying bienvenido. Another useful expression which will come in handy is perdón and con permiso, which means excuse me. It can be used in various situations just like it's used in English. For example, if you want to say, excuse me, this chair is occupied, you can say, perdón, esta silla está ocupada. Or if you see that people are walking and there's very little space and you need to move past them, you could use con permiso. Both of these can be used in both formal and informal situations. Now, another way of saying excuse me in formal situations is to say perdóneme or discúlpeme. Whereas in informal situations, we can say perdóname or discúlpame. All of these ways of saying excuse me can be used interchangeably. So we've learned a lot of words, right? If there's still any doubt, I would recommend that you go over the video once again and take notes. Write certain words and meanings down to remember them better. In general, I think you should always keep a notebook and pen handy to make notes when learning a new language.